A friend has said he'd prefer me to speak in my videos, so I thought I'd give it a crack today. If you prefer some cheesy music, let me know, or you can listen to my monotonous voice. Cheers.
Alright, let's put it together. So we'll put the walls up. I'll just put the trusses up real quickly now. Just temper everything in place to see how it all lines up. I might need another truss in there just to stop it from sagging, and then I'll just put the little top plate things in there. Might do that now and make another truss because it's obviously needed. Let's do it. So I'm lazy. Don't really want to make a new truss because it's hard. So I'm going to see what it's like chucking a few more on. Chuck the top plates on. They went pretty well. Holding it nice and stiff. I need to figure out my spacing up there because I want the right overlap. I'm going to try and use this because that should be about right. So we'll see how that goes. That's the idea. That is the spacing. That's the nail. And so far it's coming along pretty good. How's the water going to run off that? I guess those will be coming up again. So the roof's on. It worked out quite well. With the spacing, I just guessed it when we got towards the top. Try to match it as best on the back. Almost no bowing in it, so someone's excited. So yeah, pretty good. I'll just make a cap now along there to chuck that on, and then we'll fill up the gables, I guess they're called. Fill up the gables. So to make the cap bit, I took one of the boards, cut it in half, and then ripped an angle down it. So that should give it an approximate angle to go on there. And now I'm just going to drill some pilot holes, chuck in a few screws to put it together and bang it on top. Sweet. Alright, roof is done. I'm not sure if I did that cap thing right, but it's rough enough. Pretty happy. Happy. That's just to fill those in. What do you reckon, Charlie? Do you like it?
Yeah.
She's rough, but she does the job.
Do you want to? I should go now. Bye.
Bye.
So today was a pretty good day, pretty happy with how everything went out. Just need to fill up the back gable, do some trimmings like on the door and the picket fence. Thanks for watching it. I like making this stuff, and it's nice to see that people enjoy it too. Now I need to decide whether I should paint it or not. What do you reckon? Anyway, cheers. Take it easy.